In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade video in Canva. First, add a video to your design. You can do it by choosing a video from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this demonstration, I'll just use this video. To make the fade effects look professional, you should change the background color to black. After that, you can adjust the position like this. Now, let's add the fade effect. Just select the video, then go to the top toolbar and click this animate option. From here, just scroll down until you find the fade effect. Under the animation setting, click both so it will fade in and out. And set the speed by using the slider. After that, adjust the timeline. And click this play button to see the final result. So that's how you can fade video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.